if you're experiencing frame stuttering on your Steam Deck, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on the hardware. Focus on settings like resolution, texture quality, and shadow details to find a balance between visual quality and performance. Step 2. Enable performance mode. Switch your Steam Deck to performance mode in the settings. This mode prioritizes performance over battery life, allowing the device to run games more smoothly. Step 3. Update software. Ensure that your Steam Deck's operating system and all games are up to date. Software updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can help reduce stuttering. Step 4. Manage background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing your games to run more efficiently without interruptions. Step 5. Monitor temperature. Keep an eye on the device's temperature. If it overheats, performance may drop. Make sure the vents are clear and consider using a cooling pad if necessary to maintain optimal temperatures. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering on your Steam Deck, leading to a smoother gaming experience.